Hey, you two, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox or unwrap this. This one's the Barry Tender, the new and latest version. This is the 4.5 amp Barry charger and maintainer by Deltran. And this one has a 5 years warranty. This one is the updated weather resistant IP65 rating. You have a different type of battery chemistry selection. This one could charge 12 volt or 6 volt, reverse hookup protection, safe long-term storage, and then spark-proof protection. It is great use for trucks, cars, ATV, boat, or if you have a RV. It's compatible with the automotive, power sports, and then marine. It also has alligator clips, accessory cable. Also has a ring terminal accessory cable. By the way, I have one of the old one that is only 3 amps, and it kept my battery charged for a long time. I purchased 3 years ago, and then I keep it in charge. It's like a brand new after 3 years, so because I did the battery tester on it. By the way, I've been eyeing on this one at Costco. Original price was like $44.99 plus tax. Sometimes their prices fluctuate up and down, 49, 44, 46 or whatever. And then after that, it was showing for $40, so I didn't buy it. And then a couple of days later, I did buy some grocery, and I saw it for $25. I said, wow. So I grabbed a whole bunch of it. I think 10 sets. You can never go wrong. And this one charges lithium ion, or the LiFePO, LiFePO 4. Also charge flathead or the AGM battery. And you can select the battery type, and also select the voltage, 12 volt or 6 volt. If you have a motorcycle battery or ATV. So it says a universal fully automatic battery charger, safe, weather resistant charging for long-term storage. No need to unplug this charger. Simply connect it and forget it, which is what I did, and keep the battery charged like a brand new. So you can use for truck, SUV, sedan, ATV, motorcycle, lawnmower, boat, marine boat. And here are some of the specification right here. Input is 120, 50 or 60 hertz. Output 12 volt, 6 volt, up to 4.5 amp. AC power cord length is 6 feet. DC output cord length is 5 feet. And then charger dimension is 2 by 6.85 by 3.77 inch. The weight is about 1.40 pound. And this is in Spanish. Alright, let's go ahead and open this up. Don't want to cut the wire. Let's see. So I got a 2-prong AC plug. Yeah, the lights indicator if it's charging, fully charged or not connected properly. The charger is made in Vietnam, designed in America. So this button is for 6-volt or 12-volt selection, and then the bottom button is for the AGM/flathead or lithium battery. And then there are 2 other mounting holes, 1, 2 right here, in case you want to mount it. So you got this quick disconnect connector right here. It's also protected by this cover. Got this special ring right here if you need to mount this on your battery permanently, or the alligator clip. So I mean, $25, you cannot go wrong. Keep your battery health and up to charge. Come with the instruction booklet as well. Yeah, so once you shows 12 volt or 6 volt and with fully charged, the LED light will stay green Okay. And if it's amperes, I mean charging. And when you start flashing, I think that's about 80% almost being fully charged. Alright, so you gotta plug in the charger first. Without connecting to the battery, it shows 6 volt and 12 volt. And then the type of the battery, you cannot connect this to the battery right away. Once you connect it, you cannot select it. So as you can see now, I can switch 12 volt or 6 volt, and then a different type of battery. Okay. So at first I connect the battery first. I'm going to leave it at 6 volt. So at first I connect the battery. And after that, I cannot select the 6 volt or 12 volt or types of battery. And fully charged is kind of blinking because it thought that this is 6 volt and it's almost fully charged. So you need to disconnect the battery or just a negative terminal first, and then select 12 volt and connect the negative. And now the ampere light is gonna be lit. So when it's about 80 to 85% charged, this is gonna start blinking. That means almost fully charged. So if you connect the battery first, it's not gonna allow you to make a different kind of selection. Okay. So now it detects the almost fully charged. You have the LED, you have the ampere light status indicator right here, and then blinking. That means almost fully charged. Once it's fully charged, then the battery will stays green. So now with the new charger, it is fully charged now. The ampere lights disappear, and then blinking green become steady green light. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.